How to fix iPhone is not allowing to set up Express Public Transit Pay. To resolve the issue, where your iPhone isn't allowing you to set up Express Transit payments for public transit, follow these steps systematically. First, verify device compatibility. 1. iPhone model. Express Transit requires iPhone 8 or later, including iPhone SE 2nd, 3rd Gen or newer. 2. iOS version. Update to the latest iOS version. Settings greater than general greater than software update. Older iOS versions may block this feature. 3. Region support. Ensure you're in a supported country, region, e.g. US, UK, Canada, Japan. Go to settings greater than general, greater than language and region, and confirm your region matches your location. Second, check card eligibility. 1. Bank support. Contact your bank to confirm your card supports Express Transit. Not all cards banks enable this feature. 2. Card setup. Re-add the card to Apple Wallet. Open Wallet. Tap Add button plus. Re-enter card details. If prompted, complete verification with your bank. 3. Configure Express Transit settings. 1. Enable Express mode. Go to settings greater than Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Express Transit card. Select your transit card or payment card. 2. No option. If Express Transit card is missing, ensure transit card is added to wallet for cities like NYC, London, etc. For credit debit cards only, some regions require a transit-specific card, e.g. Suica in Japan, Omni in NYC. 4. Reset wallet and Apple Pay. 1. Remove and re-add cards. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the card, tap Remove card. Restart your iPhone. Re-add the card.